Hey Chihuahua, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazement right here, and basically what this is a chair leg protector. Let me actually open up to show you guys what I'm talking about. So once you guys open up, this is what the product looks like inside. So for the one that we got right here, it comes with a pack of 24 of them. And for each one of these, it's like a silicone material that's stretchable. So that way you can use it for many type of legs on the chairs. But since all of them are the same, I'm gonna take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So like I mentioned, for the top part, it is stretchable. Bottom part, we do have like the non-scratching material. So that way when you guys do set it up, it won't scratch the surface on your floor, which is really convenient. And also when you guys install this onto your leg on your chair, it won't make any noise when you guys are moving around. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. And like I mentioned earlier, it is like a silicone material, so it's stretchable. So whether if you guys have like a round leg or a square leg, it doesn't matter. It should fit as long as not above like the size limit. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me just go set this up to show you guys how to use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here I do have my chair. And for the chair that I have, it actually has a skinny leg. So it won't be an issue when I do put it on. But the chair leg is much bigger than what you guys can see right here. You guys can definitely stretch it. But in this case, when I do set it up, it's actually very easy. All I need to do is go like this. And I'm all set. And I want to do the same thing for all of them. But before I do that, I do want to actually move the chair around to show you guys what it actually sounds like before you guys install it. So I take it out. If I move it around, if you guys can hear, it's actually really noisy. But let's put it on to show you guys what it actually sounds like afterward. Alright, so we got all of them on. When you guys move it around, you guys can hear it's much more quiet and doesn't scratch the surface after you guys set it up. So if you guys see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long, it's actually really easy and very simple. But this is what the product looks like once you guys set it up. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, you can definitely see it actually does work and actually worked quite well. If you see the whole setup process didn't take that long, all you guys need to do is just put this onto your leg, onto the chair. So if the leg of a chair is small, then you guys don't have to stretch it. But if your chair leg is bigger, you guys can actually stretch it a little bit. Like I mentioned earlier, there is a size limit on here in terms of how much it can stretch. So as long as you guys are under that size limit, then you should be fine. But you see when you guys do set a product, it definitely makes a huge difference. So that way when you guys are moving your chair around, it won't scratch the surface of your floor. And this works great for almost anything, whether it's like chairs, tables, or whatever. As long as you guys can fit this onto the leg of the product, then you should be fine. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some solution to help you guys prevent like your chairs or table from scratching the floor when you guys are moving around. Then definitely getting one of these is actually pretty worth it. But then obviously if those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.